Hey, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer as a foundation. So yeah, let's get into the video. So if you've seen my last video in my Ulta haul, I did go into Ulta and I picked up the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is what it looks like right here. And I did get the shade 15.7, and I got the shade 16, and this is what it looks like right here. And this is what they look like side by side. They are almost the same color. You really can't really tell the difference, so I'll swatch them on my hand. So this is what it looks like on my hand. The bottom is 15.7 and the top is 16. And 16 is slightly darker than the 15.7. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the darker one, set 16, just kind of in the dark spots that I have. So I'm going to put 15.7 under my eyes, and the rest of it I'm going to just put on my dark spots. So I need a mirror. It is very thick and creamy. And I did moisturize my face with the new Clinique ID, and this is what it looks like. This is for oil control gel. And I'm going to be using my Juno & Company sponge to blend this out. And this is wet, so. I'm gonna put 16 back around my smile lines because those are a little darker. So this is the concealer all over my face. I do like the coverage. It's very even, and it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face. It does dry down matte. It claims to be a 24-hour wear concealer. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I will be back with the final results and my thoughts on the concealer as a foundation. So I'll be right back. So I am back, and I have finished the rest of my face, and I did set with a little powder. I did not pick up the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. I may pick that up, you know, maybe not, but yeah, I am loving the overall look. Again, I only have the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer on my face, and it is very natural. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, as I said before. I definitely will pick this up. And yeah, so if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below if you guys have picked up the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, concealer, or powder. And yeah, so I really do enjoy the look. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Is it a yes or is it a no? But I'm gonna stop rambling, and don't forget to watch my last video on the Ulta haul on how you could possibly get this for the low. And without further ado, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.